Microsoft just upgraded Copilot Notebooks. And if your team is still digging through shared drives, old emails, and random folders just to answer one client question, you may be storing your business knowledge in the wrong place. 4 features can turn Copilot Notebooks into a practical AI knowledge base for your small business. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Today I'm going to show you how to use Copilot Notebooks. It is an AI workspace inside Microsoft 365. You can bring together files like SOPs, proposals, client documents, meeting notes, and reports. Think of it like giving Copilot a private library of the information your business already has. First, let's start with the core feature most people are underusing. Go to Microsoft 365 Copilot, open Notebooks, create a new notebook, and add your business files, maybe a proposal, a contract, and a project brief. Then ask a question like, based only on the uploaded files, what are the 3 biggest risks in this client proposal? Copilot can summarize the answer from your files and show citations so you can verify where the information came from. That is the big difference. Instead of searching through 5 documents manually, you can ask one question and jump straight to the source. Second, audio overview. This is where Copilot Notebooks becomes even more useful for busy teams. With audio overview, you can turn a document or a notebook into a short audio briefing. So instead of reading a long strategy document, your team can listen to a summary before a client meeting. For example, upload cyber questionnaire, a project update, or data deck. Then use Quick Create, choose audio overview, set the length, and generate the briefing. A 40-page document becomes something your team can review during a commute or between meetings. Quick one, but really useful. Copilot can turn your document into a mind map. So instead of reading everything line by line, you get a visual structure of the key ideas and how they connect. Great for quickly understanding complex documents or planning your next steps. Lastly, this might be the most powerful part. You can give the notebook its own instructions. You could write, answer using only the uploaded knowledge base. When summarizing documents, prioritize regulatory compliance implications. Now every answer inside that notebook follows that context. And this is important. The instruction applies to that notebook. So you can have one notebook for client proposals, another for onboarding, another for internal SOPs, each with its own purpose. If you work in biotech, financial services, staffing, or nonprofit services, the prompt changes, but the idea is the same. Set the context once, and make Copilot more useful every time your team asks a question. If you want to take this further, watch my video on the Microsoft Copilot Prompt Gallery, where I show how to save and reuse your best prompts. What business documents would you put into Copilot Notebooks first? SOPs, proposals, meeting notes, or client reports? If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Thanks for watching.